In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Voice Mode. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a voice conversation with Grok, how to grant microphone access if prompted, and how to get smooth spoken replies every time. First, sign into your account on the Grok website or open the Grok app on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection and, if you're on mobile, that the app is up to date. Open any existing conversation or start a new one. Voice mode works right inside an active chat, so you don't need a special screen. If you want the best audio quality, consider using headphones with a built-in mic, but your device's microphone will work fine too. Next, look for the microphone icon or the little sound wave button near the text box at the bottom of the chat. It's usually right beside the place where you'd normally type a message. If you don't see it right away, try dismissing your keyboard on mobile or scroll slightly so the message bar is fully visible. On smaller screens, the icon can be tucked close to the send button. Once you spot it, you're ready to start. When you use voice for the first time, your browser or app may ask for permission to access the microphone. Choose Allow so Grok can hear you. If you accidentally block it, don't worry. In most browsers, you can click the small lock icon in the address bar, open site settings, and switch the microphone permission to Allow. If you're on a computer and still can't be heard, double check that the correct input device is selected and that your system volume and privacy settings permit microphone use for your browser or the Grok app. Now you're set to talk. Tap the microphone icon again. When you see a status like connecting or listening, start speaking clearly at a normal pace. Share your request in a full sentence, just as you would with a person. Adding a bit of context helps, like mentioning a topic or your goal, so Grok can respond precisely. Reduce background noise if you can, and keep the mic a short distance from your mouth to avoid distortion. After you finish speaking, Grok will process your words and reply with a spoken response. If you need to pause or stop the reply, tap the icon again. If you don't hear anything, raise your device volume and make sure silent mode is off. That's all there is to it. Open Grok, find the mic, allow access if prompted, and speak. Enjoy hands-free, natural conversations with Grok Voice Mode.